Water filter pitchers have become a common staple on the American countertop. They're typically portable, easy to use, and require minimal maintenance. That gives them some advantages over larger filtration systems, such as undersink or whole house filters. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best water filter pitcher you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. I have listed them based on types of features and prices which are best sold and reviewed in the last couple of months on Amazon. To see the most up-to-date prices and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. Before we start, I have a question for you. Which pitcher are you using right now? And what is your opinion on them? Let me know in the comments. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. ZeroWater ZP010 Water Filter Pitcher. NSF 53 certified to remove 99% of lead and chromium in tap water. The ZeroWater ZP010 is a reliable water pitcher for families of 2 to 4 people. The ZeroWater ZP010 comes with an excellent 5-stage filter that can remove anything from dust and algae to pesticides, herbicides, mercury, chlorine, chlorine, and heavy metals. Its effectiveness in reducing lead and chromium is certified by the NSF, an achievement seen in very few other pitcher filters on the market. The ZeroWater ZP010 is also likely the only one with a total dissolved solids (TDS) meter attached to its lid. This allows you to measure and compare the water before and after filtration. While the TDS level is more of an aesthetic indication than a legal standard for drinking water, it can at least give you an idea of whether or not the filter is working properly. This way, you can examine water quality to gauge when to replace the filter. It's a more precise method than elapsed calendar time or water mileage. The downside of the ZeroWater's filter is that, while removing inorganic and organic contaminants, it also strips out the dissolved solids responsible for the sweetness in natural water. Your drinking water may sometimes taste slightly sour, similar to reverse osmosis, RO. Water. The pitcher is made of BPA-free materials, and has a smooth, plain design, which is an advantage when it comes to cleaning. It holds up to 10 cups, or more than a gallon of water at a time. A drawback of the design, however, is that the upper reservoir is only about 1/4 the size of the lower one. It requires several rounds of refilling before you actually have a full pitcher. With the filter and the TDS meter included, the ZeroWater ZP010 is still a very affordable pitcher. If you don't mind the repeated refilling and the flavor after filtration, it's a good option. Pros: NSF certified to remove lead, chromium, reduces TDS meter included, BPA-free material, easy to clean, affordable. Cons: water may taste acidic. Number 4. Naples Naturals 109x1 Alkaline Water Pitcher. The Naples Naturals doesn't just filter your water, it raises the pH of your water to naturally make alkaline water. Even better, this generous pitcher has a gorgeous design that looks great on the counter, or slides it easily in your refrigerator door and saves space. It's been recognized as best of the best by Best Reviews, and it's a great way to enjoy alkaline water at home. The Naples Naturals 108x1 Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher filters out 20 trace minerals and raises the pH level, for alkaline water that has a perfect mineral balance. Naples Naturals water tastes better alone, and when used to brew coffee, tea, and in other beverages. The stylish pitcher is made from food-grade resins that are BPA-free and look great in any decor. The pitcher holds 10 cups of water and is easy to fill. The filter screws in place for a more stable design than other pitchers, and lasts for 70 gallons of water, or approximately 45-60 days. A digital readout lets you know when it's time to replace the filter. The Naples Naturals 108x1 Alkaline Water Filter Pitcher is available in 3 stylish colors and 2 different designs, so you can choose the look you like. The slim shape fits easily, even in a crowded fridge, or leave it on the counter to enjoy the great design and remind yourself to stay hydrated. Pros: attractive pitcher fits easily in the fridge or lives on the counter. Filters water, raises pH, and balances minerals for great tasting water. Improves the flavor of coffee, tea, and other beverages. Cons: changing the filter requires pre-rinsing, shaking, and filtering 2-5 pitchers before it's ready for use. Number 3. Brita Standard Everyday Water Filter Pitcher. As the name implies, the everyday model is an affordable pitcher with basic features that are designed for daily use. Because it doesn't have a digital filter reminder, users are encouraged to track the number of refills or replace the filter every 2 months. The design is simple and easy to use. The lid on this filter pitcher doesn't lock in place, so pouring must be done with care. The company has listened to its customers and plans to release everyday pitchers with covers that fit tightly. Packages will be marked as new and improved. This model uses Brita's standard pitcher and dispenser filters, so consumers can get Brita's filtration results at a competitive price. The filters are readily available and come in multi-packs. They don't need to be soaked before use, they simply must run under tap water for 15 seconds. The filter contains activated carbon made from coconut shells. The proprietary media removes organic contaminants as well as the taste and smell of chlorine. Carbon is combined with white ion exchange granules. These polymer beads have a large surface area and help to remove metals and heavy metals that are found in drinking water. Brita recommends changing the filter after 2 months or 40 gallons of use. Since the pitcher has a 10-cup capacity, the filter should be changed after 64 refills. Pros: Brita's new filters purify water faster and don't require soaking. Filters are competitively priced and easy to find. There's no need to worry about digital filter meters getting wet or failing. Cons: the hollow handle fills with water and is difficult to clean. Number 2. Clearly Filtered Water Filter Pitcher. The clearly filtered water filter pitcher has been independently tested and certified to remove over 230 pollutants and contaminants from water, filtering more effectively than the other 5 leading brands of filter pitchers combined. In fact, they are so proud of their test results that they have published them on their websites and you can review them yourself. The clearly filtered water filter pitcher removes fluoride, lead, chromium, BPA, herbicides, pesticides, benzene, VOX, mercury, arsenic, and more common chemicals, pollutants, and contaminants from your water. It removes more than 230 metals and chemicals from water, more than any other pitcher. Their filters are made in the USA and tested to the highest standards for the cleanest water you can drink, meeting or exceeding NSF, ANSI standards. The clearly filtered pitcher, filter, and reservoir are BPA-free, food-grade treatment that will not leach chemicals into your water. The clearly filtered water filter pitcher has an 80-ounce/10-cup capacity, and the filter lasts for 100 gallons. Pros: incredible filter technology removes over 230 common chemicals and pollutants from water. Independently tested and exceeds industry standards. High-quality materials are food-grade and BPA-free. Large pitcher and long filter life. Cons: no visible indicator when the filter needs to be changed, so you have to keep track. Number 1. Nakii Water Filter Pitcher. This pitcher offers a free-flowing design to guarantee fast and steady filtration. It has a sleek design, so it is convenient to store in your refrigerator door. It is made with a durable construction, so it can stand up to wear and tear for several years, and it comes with a spill-proof spout. The materials used to make this pitcher are BPA-free and approved by the FDA. The Nakii filter uses Japanese activated carbon fiber, which has been proven to be up to 12 times more effective than any other carbon filters. This type of carbon fiber was originally developed for use in the military and in medical care facilities, as it reduces 97% of potential contaminants. It also helps reduce limescale, calcium, mercury, and chlorine in tap water. The filter also reduces lead, rust, and other particles, in addition to odd colors and odors. The filters are regularly tested and recertified by the Water Quality Association to ensure their performance meets the NSF, ANSI standard for the quality of its filtration. These filters are effective for 150 gallons of water and they have a rapid flow rate of 5 5 cups per minute. Pros: filters work quickly. Spout is designed to prevent spills. Pitcher holds up to 7.5 cups. The sleek design fits in narrow spaces. Cons: has a small reservoir. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.